Are you an e-commerce business owner? Perhaps an online educator? Or probably a budding vlogger? No matter what your profession is, so long as you're in need of a great screen recording software with a little bit of video editing on the side, then this video is for you. In this video, I will be giving you an introduction to one, if not the best free screen recording apps out there called Screencast-O-Matic. Hi, I'm Ozzy from Online Seller Circle, where we provide help and support and guidance to online business owners. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release new videos. And now, let's go meet Screencast-O-Matic.
What is Screencast-O-Matic? Screencast-O-Matic is a screencasting and video editing software tool that can be launched directly from a browser. It can be used to record lessons or training materials, record and edit video game casts, online tutorials, etc. The software has been widely used in the education sector to support video creation for flipped classrooms, bidirectional student assessments, lecture capture, and student video assignments. Screencast-O-Matic is a free sign-up application. However, as always, since it's for free, there will always be limitations to the videos that you'll be creating using Screencast-O-Matic. Specifically, you only have 15 minutes time limit to create your videos. If you want to have more features or capabilities for your Screencast-O-Matic, then you can always sign up, or you may sign up with their paid subscriptions. For solo plans, meaning you'll only be able to use this with one computer, you can either sign up for the deluxe package that's going to be billed yearly at $1.65, or you can also sign up with the premier package, which they currently have a promotion of $3 per month, and that's going to be billed yearly as well. You may pause the video now to check and read on the features that you'll be getting should you choose to sign up for their paid subscriptions.
Online Seller Circle has a special gift for you. Sign up now for either the deluxe or premier plans and get 20% off on your subscription by using the link within the description box.
Apart from their solo plans, you'd also be able to sign up for their team plans. With this, you'd be able to sign up your whole team, and you'd be able to sign up the number of computers that you require to be signed up with Screencast-O-Matic. And of course, it will still be billed monthly, and these are the rates that they have for the Team Deluxe and Team Premier. And here are the features that you'll be getting once you signed up for these plans. To begin, you have to go to screencast-o-matic.com. That's screencast-o-matic.com. And then you can either sign up for free or click record for free. So if you currently have an account, you may log in. However, if you don't have an account with Screencast-O-Matic yet, then you have to sign up, and it's going to be for free. The reason why you need to sign up is this will be your repository of videos. So basically, this will be your cloud for the videos that you will be uploading or that you'll be saving within your Screencast-O-Matic channel. So if you want to start up your Screencast-O-Matic, or if you want to start using Screencast-O-Matic, you have to click record for free. So after clicking record for free, you can either choose to launch free recorder or upgrade recorder. Of course, upgrade recorder will only be applicable if you already have the recorder within your computer. But if you don't, then you can just click launch free recorder. So if you click this icon or this option here, and you don't have the Screencast-O-Matic application within your computer yet, then it will automatically be downloaded. So if you click it, then the exe file will automatically be downloaded to your computer. So basically, the exe file or the execution file will be the one that you'll be using to install the application to your computer. All you have to do is just to click this file here, then give the necessary admin permission so that your computer will install the application within your desktop or your system. And after which, you should see this icon, this circle icon, or actually this one, the circle icon within your computer. And that means that the application has been successfully installed. Then once you have successfully installed the Screencast-O-Matic application, all you have to do is just to click the icon, and your Screencast-O-Matic workspace will open up. Hit record, and the recorder will be launched. So you have options here that you can choose from. You can either record the screen, this screen only, the webcam, so you'll just be recording whatever the webcam is capturing, or you can record both. So that's the screen and the webcam. I've mentioned earlier that if your Screencast-O-Matic is not paid or the free one, then you would only have a maximum of 15 minutes for your videos. You can also change the screen size of your recording. You can either choose full screen, so it'll record the whole screen. You can select active window, or it will just record the current tab that you're in. You can choose 720p or 480p. So if you choose 720p, it will be this size and you can resize it accordingly. But whatever is just captured within this area here will just be the ones that will be captured by your Screencast-O-Matic. And this option here will show you narration. So this will be for your microphone. You can select the microphones that you have on your computer. And you can also select to turn off or turn on the computer audio. So let's say you are recording a tutorial that has a video in it and you don't want the sound of that video to overpower your speaking, then you can turn this off. If you're already happy with your selections, then you can start recording by clicking the record icon here.
Screencast-O-Matic is a great tool to help you out with screen recording as well as very light video editing. Also, again, by using the link below, you will get 20% off on your subscription, either with the deluxe or premier plans. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye!